Hello, my friends. I'm back in this channel. I am very grateful to share this space with you. I was focusing on my Spanish speaking projects, my channel, and I'm writing a book now. Later, I will translate and share with you. But today, I got the spark of inspiration back, and it was thanks to Wayne Dyer. I was watching one of his conferences, and he said a phrase that it just made me feel so inspired. And it says, like, the greatest gift you have been given is the gift of your imagination. And I thought about imagination, and I thought about mental imagery and visualization, and how imagining is so personal and such a powerful skill we can actually develop. Um, and it's available for everyone. And I thought about sharing with you how to get more inspiration to actually strengthen your vision and how to grab more mental imagery that you can put into your visualizations. I want to share with you 3 ways that I am doing that currently, and I've been doing it in the last 4 years. Because the more we visualize with the specifics that we want, and the more we can tap into the feeling that we are already living it, being that person or having that we want, to not strengthen our self-belief that we can actually have it. Okay. So I want to share with you some of the ways that I use to grab more imagery and more specific imagery. And this is very important because your dreams and your vision is so unique that no one else will have it, really. And don't fall in the traps that you see online, like on TikTok or something like that, like everyone is wishing that, the same house, the same car, the same like family. Create your own path and visualize in a so specific way that your dreams are coming from your soul, that really they will materialize in your own life. So I want to share with you these ways I am visualizing nowadays. I love the Jose Silva method. I have shared with you other videos about it, and it's about visualizing that big mental screen as if you would be in the cinema. And it's when you start running and running over and over again your vision. But sometimes we need a little help on getting the visuals for that movie, right? So are some of the ways that I use to grab those images and to add it into my visualization. I'll start sharing my screen. This is also very personal, guys, because I'm sharing literally with you my dreams. So let's get started with Pinterest. And something very interesting is also that I have some clients, and then with when I work with them, I ask them to create a Pinterest board. And what's very interesting with my clients, when they share with me their vision board on Pinterest, they look completely different than mine and than from each other. So, like the dreams are so specific in from your heart that you need to follow that calling, and that you need to have like really sharp vision and then the focus, because otherwise then if you listen to the outer noise, then you might fall in the traps that you are wanting something that it's not meant to be for you, or that you don't want from your soul, but maybe you just want from the ego to show off that you also have it. Okay, so tap into your unique vision and you will start playing and replaying again. But for that, you can get the help of Pinterest. This is my board. This is how it looks nowadays. It's a little bit different than years ago. And now I'm really, really focused on growing my brand that I have, the Spanish brand I have. And it's all these colors, everything related also with audio, with listening, with also some merch I want to develop for my brand, and also these nice cozy spaces for recording my podcast with the closest people that I really like, that I really love. I love recording with them, and I love inviting them, having them over, drinking tea, and then just like hanging out with them. So for me, that's very important. The beauty in the spaces. I also added here like some people For some ladies, visualizing by the sea because I want to move to the seaside. I also added here some of like the book um, that I want to have like this event to showcase my book. Also, these beautiful terraces. So what you will do is you go to Pinterest. This is free. You just go to the home and be very specific. Okay, so if you want to have a community of women, right? So type it and then you will start saving it. Okay, save it. The ones that are super close to your heart, that you see it and you're like, it sparks my soul. Okay, so you can do that, or you can look for cozy home. Again, the more specific you are, the more you will find like these specifics, right? I like these ones actually. I will save this. So, or if you want a specific design, maybe you like more like black elegant, right? So like this one, or like, I know, partner, and then you in your vision, you want to strengthen, like you are by the sea, walking with your partner, you can add these kind of pictures. Everything what you see here, it's very good to have it in one place. So every time that you tap into your vision in this mental sprint technique, you will see that, right? So this is mental imagery. You can always go back to your mental imagery, grab it from there and strengthen it through repetition. So you will see your board and then you will see it in your mind. And then the ultimate goal will be that that your vision becomes so strong, you become so good at visualizing that you can be anywhere. Like literally, you can be commuting one day in a train and then you close your eyes and then you see your vision. Or before going to bed, you don't need anything else. You just close your eyes and then you see your vision there. I want you to get to that point, okay? So that's Pinterest. And the other way, if you really cannot find that specific that you want, oh, this is beautiful too. Then what I've been using too, and this is more techy, but I will share it with you. So AI created images. For this tool, you need to pay. So, and then you need to type in all the keywords that you want. So then they show you. And honestly, I started using it because I didn't find Latinas on the stage speaking, like Latina looking uh, speakers. And I was like, okay, I need to see that because I want to see myself also as a speaker, but not this like super formal with a blazer. But I wanted to see, for example, with this beautiful dress, like this kind of Latinas looking and with this whole beautiful dress, but still really shining and really confident. And I really couldn't find them. So what I did is I started to type woman, 35, Latina looking, blah, blah, blah. And it's when I created my own AI pictures. And this also encourages me because it tells to my mind that it's possible for me too. And that's what happens when you don't have enough representation. Maybe you come from a minority group, or maybe you just didn't see enough references in your niche and you want to tell your subconscious mind like it's possible. It's possible for you too, right? So that's why I use this one. Then grab all that imagery, put it in one space, in one place, and use it for you to visualize. So every time that you rehearse, you will see it in your mind. And hope that this is inspiring for you. This is one of my favorite topics. And by the way, I am about to launch a class, and it's gonna be about visualizing and how to really do it step by step, how to build all this mental imagery, and how to actually tap into that visualization, but to make it really powerful. So we will also use some music, how to activate more senses. And yeah, I'm working on that and I will share it with you shortly. I think that's going to be a really good start for 2025. And I hope that this was useful for you. Let me know if you tried any of these, and please let me know how is your journey with visualizing. I'm so grateful to be back here. I also love when you leave comments and then you tell me how is your progress. So thank you so much for this, for being here, and see you soon.